Shabura Husk biscuit is one of the famous dry cake or husk that is commonly served with Arabic coffee, brewed coffee, and tea in Mediterranean region. Today, I'm going to show you how it's done. These are the ingredients that we need for our Shabura today. For complete recipe, please check the description below. Enjoy watching and hope you will learn something new today. Before mixing other ingredients, melt butter into a pan then. Granulated sugar then mix until sugar is melted. Set aside and let it cool. Meanwhile, in another bowl, mix all the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour baking powder, salt, cardamon powder, and baking soda. In a mixing bowl, add wet ingredients, milk, eggs, and melted butter sugar. By the way, I was not able to film the part where I pour the melted butter and sugar. Please don't forget to include them, or else your Shabura will be very dry. Now let's add condensed milk. You can add 1 can of condensed milk, but if you prefer to be less sweet, you can only add 3/4 of this milk. After mixing all wet ingredients, vigorously add the pre-mixed dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and start mixing them into the stand mixer for at least 10 minutes or until the dough is formed and softened. Now the dough is ready. Gently remove the dough from the bowl and divide the dough into 3, then knead gently to form a log in a dusted clean surface. After forming them into 3 logs, bake them in a preheated oven in 180°C for at least 25 to 30 minutes, or until the Shabura is a little bit golden but not overcooked, or else they will crack when you slice the afterwards. Don't bother if you see some cracks, that's normal. After removing them from the oven, put aside and let it cool for a while. When it cools down a little bit, just enough to handle the heat, slice your Shabura. Slice your Shabura diagonally, then return them into the baking pan. Make sure to put them carefully, not to overcrowd the pan, or else they will break if you flip them later. After cutting them, return your Shabura into the oven. With the same temperature, bake them for at least 10 minutes on both sides. But if you prefer to make it more crispier, you can extend the baking time. By the way, I'm sharing to you the other Shabura flavor that I made today. You have lemon and cranberry Shabura, black pepper fig Shabura, and coffee chocolate Shabura. It's a little bit hard to make them, but it's all worth it. When they are completely cool, they are ready to be packed. This is actually a good business, especially if you are a home cook and willing to earn extra. Wow. That is all for today. I hope you learned something from MKA. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Special thanks to all who keep coming back. To watch my latest upload, to all my subscribers and silent viewers, special mention to all the admins and members of my team. Coffee mates, love you all.